You don't need to spend hours learning another make.com or n8n workflow again. Because now, for the first time, you can now prompt real automations in Claude cowork and OpenClaw with n8n by just telling it what you need in plain English. So this is something that became possible over the last few weeks. So here in 60 seconds, I'll show you exactly how to set it up for yourself and get it working so you know exactly how it works at all budget levels. So if you have a make.com under a paid account, you'll have access to the MCP toolbox. So you'll see once you go to create a toolbox, you can go ahead and name it. We'll call it Claude cowork because that's what we'll be using it. You can go ahead and connect that to a folder of your choice. Save an API. Now you can totally ignore this. First thing you do is just open Claude. Head over here to the settings, the connectors. Under connectors, you're going to go add a custom connector. Just go ahead and paste that. And once that's in there, you'll have the ability to hit connect. Connect will pop open a window where you can then authenticate. So you're going to choose your organization of choice. Go ahead, give it the capability of running scenarios, modifying and editing. And then if you have team members, look out for that. Once you do that, over here when you hit connect, you'll then have an authenticated make. So what does this look like in real time? So now I'm going to show you how this works. I'm going to tell Claude to build this. You can see in the chat here is that it's using the integration. Then it's creating markdown files to then understand how to build in that implementation. I know it's here. I'm going to go ahead and open link. I can go over to receipt budget tracker. So instead of having to track stuff, lo and behold, got the email connected to an account of my choice. The LLM being able to parse the data. So I just got to go in, fill in a couple of blanks. But now the 80/20 in building automations and demos is just that much faster. So if you're interested on a guide on how to do this, both with Claude cowork and with OpenClaw, comment the word make, and I'll see you there.